like I get really comfortable really easily, and every once in a while I need to push myself to go do something that I don't usually do.
Life goes by pretty fast, especially when you're caught up in the day-to-day routines that bring you from one day to the next week, to the next month, to the next year.
Traveling is important for a million reasons, but I just think it's so important because it gives you perspective on the world.
I can be home and have a great time and be with friends, but then when you get on the road and you're just seeing so many things that are so new and just different, it's unlike anything else.
What this does is it gives you a greater sense of empathy. It allows you to better relate to people and understand that we aren't just members of our own country. We are all members of this one planet.
It's important to come to places like this and do work like this because you don't get it until you get it. You can read about it all you want, but you have no empathy until you see it firsthand, and then it's real and you're like, wow.
These people, this community has been trying to build this opportunity to let all the children in the area get out of the area and do better things for themselves, and they've just been desperately looking for something that will help them. It's crazy how fast you become somebody's mentor, and how fast you become their beacon of hope.
Entonces, ustedes son la esperanza. Sola no puedo. Yo puedo hacer los proyectos, tengo muchos sueños. Pero si no hay gente que me quiera apoyar, gente que apoye este proyecto, que confíe en nosotros, no puedo.
The point of it is helping people. Doesn't matter where exactly you're going to do it. What matters is helping people and provide hope. They need hope. They need to believe that there's somebody that take care of them.
Entonces, pues yo sí, bienvenidos los voluntarios. Cuando deseen venir, nosotros los recibimos con los brazos abiertos.
You should come on this trip because it's going to make you a better person. You should come on this trip because you're going to have more empathy with people that you don't even know.
It offers a really unique blend of real, raw, immersive experiences.
My experience in Peru has really helped me refocus and even reevaluate my life goals.
People should participate in this program because it's an opportunity to change the way that you look at yourself, to change your life, and to change other people's lives.
You haven't lived until you've done something for somebody who can't do anything back for you.